How to print your pattern. Save the tutorial to your computer desktop and open it in a PDF reader. To ensure the correct printing settings, follow these steps. Make sure you have the right printer selected. Locate the page in the PDF where the test square is located. Keep the custom scale at 100% to maintain accurate measurements. Set the orientation to portrait. If you prefer, you can print the patterns in black and white to save ink. Double-check that the document size is set to a 4, as all our patterns are in this size. Once everything is set, you are ready to print the test square. Measure with a ruler to verify if the size of the test square matches the one indicated. If everything is okay, repeat the printer settings and print the rest of the pattern. Happy sewing!